Number one again.
60.
60 this way. 70, yeah. 70 up the back now. 770 now. No problems, James. 770 now. Bidder number 8 going this way now. 770 now at the back. At $770,000, and of course seeking instructions as double checking before we go. At 770, of course selling here. At $770,000, double checking James Burke. Nice and quick, nice and fast. 75 coming back. Number 1 saying no. Back in the pit. And selling, of course, back to
775.
775 is where we are. At 775 is where we are here. 775 right now. 775. 80 is your call. 775 though. First, second, third, final count at 775. Going. Yep. Back in the picture.
Yeah,
80.
mate.
780? 80, I've got you there. 85, nice and fast there. 85, who wants it? 85 at 785, very colourful here this morning. 785, bidder number 4 came back into the party here. 785 with 1.
Yeah, mate, don't stay longer, please.
790 here. 790 back here. 95 now. 795. One's come back in again. 795. 795 here. Bidder number 1's got it. Here we go. At 795 and selling, of course. Here we go. Good luck, wish you the best. At 795, first, second, third, final count, going, going. And yes, a little bit of a shake, going, going.
Yeah. Come on, Mike. No, he's not interested. It's not right like this.
Oh, there we go. There we go, very interesting morning here. Ladies and gentlemen, fantastic. Thank you very much all the bidders here today and their participation. Certainly very active for one of our buyers here today. Certainly very colourful indeed.